What's good, YouTube, man? It's Corey Ratcliffe, and you're tuning in to Corey the Phone Trader channel. We back with another man banger, y'all. Man, look where we at, y'all. It's beautiful, baby. Yes, sir. We in Bermuda, baby. We on a cruise ship. We finally made it to Bermuda, y'all. For the ones that's been in my live stream, y'all know what time it is. For the people been watching my videos, I've been on a cruise, guys. I ain't been able to really make videos and stuff until today. Finally got some good service. Hey, you guys get a video today, man. And we took some trades today. I'm getting ready to go over that. But look at Bermuda, baby. Nice. So let's get into these trades that I took, man. So as the light kind of rearranged, I'm gonna sit on the bed, man. So we took some trades today. There was PPI news today. I'm not able to show you guys on another phone the trades that I took because you have to pay for a package for to have internet. So I only got one phone to work with. It's this phone. So I've been taking screenshots of my trades and stuff and what I've been doing. But we're just gonna make this video short and sweet, man. First, we had PPI news today. Didn't expect the market to move like this, but boy, PPI news was hitting today. At about the time PPI news came out, this is a screenshot right here. The news took off crazy. As you guys see, the tall yellow square, that big green candle, that was news that hit, man. And I'm like, oh my gosh. Now I know what time it is. So normally when NASDAQ takes off like that, normally the market will come retract and make all of that back up and then possibly take off again. I say, you know what? I'm going to wait to catch a sale, man. So I found on the 1 hour time frame a supply zone, and I found me a good spot to where I could possibly get in for sale, because what I tell y'all, NASDAQ, if it takes off, it normally make that whole move back up, or if it sell, it normally make that move back up all the way up, man. So it just happened today when PPI news came out. The news skyrocketed. It took off, man. And so I'm like, I know that NASDAQ and the market is finna make all that move back up. So here's the screenshot again. After you seeing that tall green candle, that Thanos candle, that green bull candle, man. After news took off, I knew it was only a matter of time before the markets made that whole move back up. So I found me a spot on that blue line that you see. That blue line was my 1 hour supply zone. I got in for a sale, and it was history. That was a 1 to 2 trade. I took that with this screenshot now. I took that with my 50K take profit trader eval. This eval I got last Friday. They finally rebilled me. This was the account that I had bought for 40%, and once you get a payout, they give you your money back. So I'm like, that rebuild is coming. This is the only account that I really haven't traded with, and I really haven't made any big profits in. So I'm like, man, I'm gonna focus on this account right now. So that was a good profit, y'all. Short, sweet, just plain as day, just straight to the point. 1 to 2 trade. I'm gonna show you again right here. We made 1,000 and some change. I can't remember because I'm not looking at the screenshot. But you see right here, we have the account at $51,000 plus, man. Good trade, baby. Good trade. Now, let's get into the second trade. The second trade I decided to take with my funded futures 50K eval. I only need $1,000 to pass this joker, man. I'm like, can I please get a move to pass it? So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna wait. Now, after the news took off, the market came and made it back up. I was like, I bet you that we're gonna find a good stopping point for the market to bounce off of. So here's a screenshot of the trade that I took in the My Funded Futures 50K eval. And we had that account at $52,000. Only need $1,000, so I was aiming for a 1 to 2. So this screenshot that you see right here, after the market has shot up, that tall green candle, the market came and made it all the way back up on NASDAQ. I was looking for a bounce. it bounced off that purple EMA that you see, man. I was like, this is a perfect time to get in here. That's how NASDAQ normally does. If the news makes the market go bullish, it'll make it up, and then it'll come grab some more liquid zones and then pop right back off. Vice versa. I said this is a very good spot to make sure that the market is getting ready to take off. I didn't take my trade at the 200 EMA because I wanted confirmation. So right where you see my position in that was support and resistance. That line that you see, it's either white or blue, I can't remember. That support and resistance line you see, that's where I got in at. And lo and behold, if I look on the lower time frame, it was a head and shoulders. So I ran into a daggone head and shoulders and lost that trade, man. So I was still thinking that the market was going to continue in buys. It eventually did. No. I was expecting the market to continue in buys, but I ended up hitting a head and shoulders. And as you guys can see, the market hit that spot and then just tanked off. Now, I was up about $450, and I normally put my stop loss at break even once I hit a 1-to-1. It has to hit a 1-to-1. If it does not hit a 1-to-1, I don't put it at break even and I let the trade ride. I could have gotten out of this trade after you see all these wicks. Y'all see all them wicks? Wick. Had I noticed that and I just wasn't paying attention. I was getting dressed, making sure the girls was good. Brother was calling, you know what I'm saying? I was just making sure everybody was getting ready and stuff. We was getting ready to get off the boat and, you know what I'm saying, go explore and stuff. And so I really wasn't paying attention. And so, you know what I'm saying, I said, I'm just going to let it ride. I'm on vacation, man. I'm not finna worry about moving no stop loss or whatever, man. I said, I'm finna just go. I'm going to let it ride. So I had the opportunity to take $450, but it has to hit my 1-to-1. It didn't hit my 1-to-1 at all. It was off like this. Like, I'm like, dang, market, come on, man. As you guys can see, man, don't know if you guys can see, but the market just kept tanking all day, man. So it never bought again, but it normally does that. So, hey, man, I just went with what I'm normally seeing. So that was a loss. So let's go to the account now. As you guys can see, this is my funded futures 50K eval, and the amount we lost was about 490 something bucks, 80 something bucks. That was an L. It's all good, man. I'm not tripping about it. I took a whole bunch of, man, in my take profit trader 50K eval, I took one trade. And my funded futures 50K eval, I took about like 3 or 4 trades. But all those trades were break even. And I think on the 5th one, I ended up taking a loss. I was just trying to get in, get out, get in, get out real quick, man. It really wasn't moving like I wanted to, and that's why I kept getting out. That's why you see all them arrows, the trades that I took. I said, you know what, I'm just gonna let it ride now because I'm tired of getting that break even, trying to catch the move. And so I didn't have a sell mindset. I had a biased mindset, man, and it's all good, man. I just hit a head and shoulders, man. We are going to try to pass this my funded futures 50K eval tomorrow. I gotta find the right setup though. I need $1,500, man, to get this thing funded. Can we get funded, please? Because we got CPI news tomorrow. We got some heavy news tomorrow. I'm gonna try to log in one account, get out the other account. Log in one account, get out the other account. I'm just gonna keep doing that, man. Tomorrow, if I find some setups, I'm gonna try to. If I see some setups, I'm gonna trade all my accounts tomorrow, except for the straight to funded account. I'm just gonna try to push these things over. If I see a setup, I'm gonna take it. You know why? Because I'm Core the Phone Trader, and you know what we doing, right? You know what we doing as Core the Phone Trader? We can trade anywhere in the world, baby. We're in Bermuda trading. I made profit and lost profit today. I'm a phone trader, and we doing it on the phone. You heard me? So yeah, man, that's gonna do it, man. Just wanted to give you guys an update on what we got going on with our trading, man. That's it, y'all. Make sure you you know what I'm saying, make sure you tune in for my lives, because I've been going live with the people. They've been coming in, man. Wanted to show you guys the the island that we on and stuff, man. Just sharing the experience. If you ain't been on a cruise, I'm gonna make you feel like you there. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers. Corey, the phone trader guy, coming out, man. Peace out, baby. Let me show y'all another view. Yes, sir. We in Bermuda. Oh, yeah. It's litty. I holla at y'all. Peace, baby.